Good afternoon guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa sa Ketchikan. Ito yung right part ng Ketchikan dito. Bali galing tayo dun sa kabila. So dito tayo nag-explore kasi gusto natin hanapin yung trip shop. Problema, naliligaw na naman ako. Wala kasi akong kasama ngayon.
USCIS?
No.
Saan na lugar, no? Malapit daw sa Creek Street, ito ata. Ayun. Oh, ito yung creek nila.
Beautiful color.
Wow. Ito lang siguro yung creek na nakita kong sobrang linis. Yan, maraming salmon dyan guys. Ito dumadaan yung salmon. Ayan o. Kaso hindi pa kasi ngayon season ng salmon, so hindi natin masyado makita kung mayroon dyan. Ganda doon.
Okay, sounds good.
Explore natin yung place. Nakakita niya pag tinignan niyo sa baba. Made of wood siya. Ang posto lang. Temporary art gallery. Saan tayong trip shop dito? Ganda. Oh. Linis, no? Kita mo yung tubig, oh.
Yeah, I think we got a climb. You want to climb?
Ganda guys. Ganda na lugar, oh. Nagyans dito. What is it? Alaskan Gold. Dito sila namimingwit ng ng salmon. Ayun ah. Steward and survival. Okay. The salmon walk was made possible with funding from. Ayan. Dito yan. Kaso ngayon so far wala pa rin salmon. Paso. Para siya naka-elevator. Punta doon sa bahay na. Siguro mahal ng bahay na. Ganda, no? Yung mga souvenir shop dito. Sa Alaska Road. Bakit pa tayo? Naman yung Arctic Gold. Ano? Content Explorer. Made of wood siya. Yeah. Isang creek area talaga. Ang angas.
We're not going enough.
Yun, connected siya doon. Punta sa ocean. Mapapansin niyo yung mga salmon guys, pagka oras ng panganganak nila, pupunta sila sa sa ilog. So ito yung pinaka-way nila. Galing sila sa dagat. Andun yung barko namin na nakita nyo. Galing sila sa dagat, papunta dito. Tatawid sila dito, papunta doon. Pero naisipin mo, sobrang babaw lang nito, pero kaya nilang tawirin yan. All the way there. Ganda na nga. Look at me now. Alaska Pacific. Ito yung Alaska Northern Lights. Pinasok natin for souvenir shop siya. Ayan, may mga seafood sila dito. Salmon to salmon. King salmon. Ayan. May mga spices din sila. Strawberry jam. Ito may mga t-shirt din. Ano? Next time na tayo bibili ng ng souvenir. Ayan tayo, pwede tayo magrenta dito ng pang fishing.
Oh, look, Dolly's
Ang
house.
problema ngayon, sa June pa ata yung yung dating ng mga salmon dito. May pa lang kasi ngayon. So wala pa tayo masyadong salmon na dumadaan dito sa creek.
I can see some down here.
Alaskan gold.
Here, let me see.
Yung lambot na panghuli nila dati. Yan, pansin ko lang dito sa sa Alaska guys. Mostly ng mga bahay dito. Nakaano siya, parang yung tradition nila dati. Naka-posted lang. Makikita mo talaga kung ano yung mga pinagmulan nila. Pansin mo to, ayan. Yung Alaska Railroad sa sa Skagway ata. Hindi yung mga stone nila, kaya mabilis mo silang malalaman kung ano yung mga nila dati. Yung pinagmulan ba. Hanggang yun, hindi pa natin nahanap yung trip shop na gusto natin punta. Bibili lang sana tayo ng mga alam mo na, mga second hand lang. Mahilig tayo sa okay-okay. Pasok tayo dito sa wooden jigsaw puzzles. Very unique yan guys. Ito. Ito yung bubuhin mo. Kasi ito puro siya wood. Gugustuhan to ni Riri. Wow. May sila. Silver ata to. May mga gold. Ito mga souvenir shop.
But the color is manipulated by the minerals surrounding the molar, or this artist actually puts a color in there. The molar is really about this big.
Kumukhang lapo-lapo. Hand-carved jewelry. Okay. May art ang artist na si Joey Wilson. Hand-carved lang to guys. As in hand-carved lang talaga. Artistic din talaga sila. Ito na. Ang mga nila kinarve yan. Ito yung mga art cards. Apat for $24. Yan o. Ito guys yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung Northern Lights.
Hey, where does that go?
Sarap sana mag-uwi nito. Kaso $225, medyo expensive siya pero panalo.
Alright.
Ayun ang Northern Lights yan.
114.42 is your total. I was just looking at that over here in the storage. You go to the case on the side.
How much is an eagle?
And Chica's over there, or maybe Cheyenne. There's other options too.
Ang bagay guys. Chainsaw carbon. Wow.
Here, 1 second.
So Alaskan salami with reindeer meat. Tapos yung hotdog nila dito is reindeer meat din. Hindi basta hotdog lang. Ito yung king salmon. So bibili natin to guys. King salmon cake. So this one, I never taste this one. So it's how it's like you just eat it.
I don't have.
That's it.
I don't have the. I don't have the teriyaki, but I have the pepper.
Just want to taste it.
You guys want to try some salmon jerky? They make it with king salmon,
Oh, okay.
so it's actually it's jerky you can chew because of the oil. Try, it's really good.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, it tastes good. It really tastes good. You should try it.
May I try?
Oh, thank you.
Wow. I'm gonna get this one.
Thanks so much. Have a good day, folks.
That's a jerky, but it's
So I'm gonna try this one. Salmon spread.
That's a premium smoke. It's a more mild salmon, and the sockeye is a deep red salmon. A little higher class of salmon.
Tungkol natin to.
These are secret striped.
Kain na tayo ng kain.
lady.
Kahit hindi na tayo magtanghalian. Noon tayo mga Pinoy, mga kapal mukha natin. Pero syempre, bibili rin tayo nito.
Actually, I'm gonna.
Para naman hindi masyado nakakaya.
She tried to strike me out.
I'm gonna get this one, man.
Okay, no problem. $15.85 for one perfect jerky.
We can go back on our ship with this, right?
Oh, yeah.
Really, you can't take on the ship as a fresh frozen stuff. Okay.
10,
This is the one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 15 for
$15.85, please.
15. Okay.
Need a bag for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, there you are.
Thank you. So when is the salmon gonna pass here?
End of June.
End of June. I'm gonna come back here.
Okay, we see you end of June.
Stop right here. I charge $20 if you the salmon on the deck.
Really?
Free for you though.
Alright, I'm gonna get this one and then Alright, thank you.
Way to support.
No. Thank you guys.
I'm just trying to promote it.
Pumalo. $15. Pero ang dami natin nakain na pre-taste. Ang sarap, nilagay lang, alam mo yung biskwit. Ang tawag sa atin doon parang pita. Lalagyan mo sila ng mga different kind of flavor ng salmon. Mga spread 'yon. Tapos, tayo ka na. Sarap na, busog ako. Panalo. Yan tayo kakapal ang mukha. May lumang bahay doon. Hi.
Ah, the exit's that way. Good luck.
Yatsi Salmon Office. Sunday, close to the wood, scorpion. Okay. Sipin mo. Diyan, tatawid yung salmon dyan papunta doon sa dulo. Diba? Tapos ang pagkakalam po, after nilang manganak doon, mamamatay na sila. Ganun yun. Para itong mga dinaanan natin guys, as you can see, ito ganito. Yan, yan yung salmon ladder observation. So, pagka mga end of June daw, pupunta dito yung dito natatawid yung mga salmon. So, sana makabalik tayo, matsyempohan natin sila. Halabas na tayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa tour natin dito sa creek area. Alright, bye-bye. Check natin guys yung museum ng Tsongas Historical Museum. Check natin sa loob. Pasok tayo. Libre naman siguro to. Ito yung welcome to the Salmon Walk. So ito yung na yan. Ito yung creek area na pinuntahan natin kanina. Ito yung pinaka-observation. Doon natin makikita kung saan dadaan yung salmon. Nandito tayo ngayon. Ayan o. Pasok tayo. Wala tayong maingay dito kaya wala tayong maingay. Hi, good morning. It's already afternoon? Okay, it's afternoon.
There's an admission to get in.
It's not alright, sorry.
Yeah, you're okay.
It's okay?
You need to pay, but
Okay, how much is that?
it's $6 for adults.
$6, alright.
For the
I'm gonna
yeah.
come back.
What's that?
For a crew?
Oh, you guys are crew?
Yes.
Come on in.
Alright,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yes, you're free. You're free. Let me give you some stickers, okay?
Okay. Where can I put it?
Just on your jacket.
Ay, pare.
Yeah.
Bossing, go
I thought you were tourists.
Really? I look like a tourist? Oh my god, it's for
camera.
sure it's a compliment.
Yeah.
No, actually I'm vlogging,
Can we
right?
have some picture with you, ma'am?
Alright.
Dyan. Ito kaya ang mga ko dyan. Dulo ko.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Have fun.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Filipino restaurant dito sa Ketchikan. Nagutom tayo, hindi pa ang natanghalian. Pumili ako ng dinuguan, adobo, sakwan rice, tapos isang tubig. Or parang $20 lahat. Okay naman. Basta naman na tayo.
At i-register ko na rin po. Ano pong gusto mo sa bawat? 50, 50, para. Anong size ata? Small, medium lang?
Sarap na adobo nila dito. Ito dinuguan to. Tikman natin yan. Ba't ano lang?